PLC Network here at CES 2025, and we are at the Z-Wave Alliance booth once again with another manufacturer of awesome products, and then some. This is something a little bit different that kind of it jumps right into the business-to-business relationship of the side of Z-Wave that we don't always see as consumers or others. This is SmartRent, and this is Isaiah and Kevin. How are you?
Very good. Thanks for the intro.
Absolutely. And so, as I mentioned, you are not for the normal consumer. This is a business-to-business relationship that you're dealing with large companies that need Z-Wave integrated into their setups.
Yeah, so our primary customer is multifamily, 20,000 units or more, although we do cater towards smaller communities as well. We build a smart home system, so smart thermostat lock, Z-Wave based hub in the system, controlling for residents and for multifamily. So our customers are the property owner operator, but our residents benefit from it as well. They can have the smart home experience, they can have a mobile app, they can control their thermostat remotely, create guest access, let guests in remotely, and our system automatically does the move in and move out process. So when a resident moves into the unit, they get access automatically through our integrations. When they move out, the access goes back to the property manager seamless, so they can turn the unit, so they can, clean, paint, all those things. So that's really the gist of our platform.
That's exciting. And it's great to see Z-Wave in a much different view.
Yeah.
Because normally when we talk about Z-Wave, we're talking about just the individual consumers, and we don't really think about how Z-Wave can be integrated in much larger atmospheres.
Yeah.
And Kevin, you also had something to talk about.
Yeah, absolutely. So, as you had mentioned, Z-Wave is really great, and it's been perfect for our industry, and it's really been a great fit for us and the product we're trying to sell. And what we're showing off here today with the Z-Wave Alliance is a couple of our newest Z-Wave certified devices. From left to right, we have our brand new Alloy Smart Home Hub Plus. We have our Alloy Deadbolt Plus. Leak Sensor Plus. Here I've got two different variants of it, actually one with a leak detection wire and a probe. And then of course here on the right, the newest product, the Alloy Fusion device. So we're very excited about them. The cool thing about the Hub Plus is it takes a Z-Wave LR gateway and builds it in to a low voltage thermostat system. Think like a Nest or Ecobee. And it's utilizing a heat pump or conventional system and a common wire to power the thermostat in the hub. And this solves so many problems for us. In the past, we had a bespoke hub. And the problem with a bespoke hub is, where do you put it? We were finding situations where it was being put above a microwave, behind a refrigerator, if you can believe it, which is not conducive to a great Z-Wave signal.
No.
So by building it into a thermostat form factor, we were able to get it into a more central location in the unit, which is optimal for Z-Wave connectivity, in addition to our cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity for the backhaul. And then Fusion over here is essentially Hub Plus. Now we have a color touchscreen which users can use to interact with the thermostat in addition to the other smart home devices such as locks, lights, window shades, whatever, in their unit. So we're super proud of all these devices.
That's exciting, and I love the transition between renter and the owners of everything, how smooth everything. It sounds like this is going to be a fantastic choice for a lot of these larger communities or just larger property owners. So these products are already out there on the market.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And you're already pushing everywhere. So where would so if you are a business looking to set up a relationship with SmartRent, where would they go to learn more information and to start creating that contact?
Yeah, smartrent.com is the best place. You can contact our sales team there. They'll reach out. We typically do sort of an interview, understand your community, your problems you're trying to solve, and then we go from there, recommend the best hardware. We have obviously our hubs here, but we have a bunch of different hardware devices that we'll recommend based on the community you have, type of community. And one thing that's really exciting for us on this is we have Apple Wallet support built in. And so for hiring communities where you want to do Apple Wallet, both at the community access level, so we do unit access, but we also do community access. So you can get into the building with Apple Wallet, you can get into your unit with Apple Wallet, and we can add and remove wallet credentials over Z-Wave with this lock. So that's pretty exciting for us.
That is very exciting. So you'll be able to find all that information and more from visiting SmartRent's website, which is an easy domain to remember, just smartrent.com. That's perfect. And you have a vast collection of products already out there, and I'm sure you have many more planned and ready to come out soon after. And so definitely go visit their website. So thank you so much, gentlemen. Isaiah, Kevin, it's been a total pleasure.
Absolutely. Thank you.
We'll definitely we'll stay in contact. We can't wait to see what comes next and what's the future for SmartRent.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.